Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. That's my first name. My full name is Steve. My middle initial is Ho, H-O, O-N-G. So if you combine these three, Steve, Ho, Ong, I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next abbreviations or acronyms, this is found in the Davao base. It is in the southern Philippines, so that's outside Metro Manila. Because they have because that is what they call the New Jerusalem. I think you know that religion group, no? So, and of course the founder. But anyway, my purpose is just only abbreviations and acronyms. Simple as that. I'm referring to KOJC. Yes, KOJC. What is this KOJC all about? Okay, that's a good question. KOJC stands for Kingdom of Jesus Christ. That's the meaning of KOJC. This is founded, and they said he was appointed by the Son of God. I don't know if that's true or confirmed. No other than Apollo Carrion Kiboloy. That's the founder. And they chose Davao because they said that it is the right place to place a New Jerusalem near at the mountains of Mount Apo. That's in Davao City, under the province of Davao del Sur. By the way, this is just only acronyms or abbreviations. I would like to inform to all viewers that this is a paid promotion label. Why did I say paid promotion label? Because YouTube notifies us ever since the beginning. If we like to upload videos that needs promotion, they must inform verbally. So this is it, verbally. Because this religious group is very global, 7 continents. So meaning it's not only in the whole Philippines, although in the whole world. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for listening in this Reels. Good afternoon. You can share this virally and globally. Thank you.